How do you find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix? Here's a matrix A. Now, what we're going to do is find the inverse of the matrix A. That is when you multiply the two together, you get the identity. The identity for a 3 by 3 matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. You can check that by multiplying A by it to make sure that it doesn't change, but believe me, it is. Now, how do you find the inverse of this? Well, I'm going to focus on what position by position, so the top position here. What I do here is I look at the 6, cross off its row and column. I'm doing this mentally, and I'm left with this 2 by 2 matrix. I'm going to find the determinant of that, which is 4 minus 5, which is minus 1, and I'm going to write the minus 1 in there. The next one is the position here. Now, for the position here, I use the transposed position, which is this 2, cross off its row and column, and then work with the determinant of what's left. It's 1, 2, 0, 1. So it's 1 times 1, 0 minus 0 times 2, which is 1. The next position is here. I transpose that to here, this one, cross off its row and column, and now find the determinant here, which is minus 2. Then here, its transpose is here, cross off the row and column, and then the determinant here is, well, two ways of thinking of it actually. If it's in these positions, then you want the negative determinant, and if it's in any of the cross positions here, use the positive determinant. So here I've crossed off here and here. I want the negative determinant of this, so it's 5 minus 4, which is 1. Next position here, transposed, cross off this, 2 minus 2 is 0. Centre place, its transposed is the same place, so cross off its row and column. 12 minus 1 is 11. Next, here, transposed to here, cross off its row and column. Now again, it's the negative that we want here, so it's 0 minus 6. Here, transposes to here, cross off its row and column, negative again, 2 minus 30. And finally the bottom corner transposes to itself, so here positive 12 minus 0 is 12, gives us that. Now that times A would not give you the identity, but let's see what we would get very quickly. A times A minus 1, it's not A minus 1 at the moment, it should be 1, 0, 0, it should be the identity. What we see is that we end up at the top with 6 times minus 1, add 2 times 1, add 1 times minus 2, so minus 6, add 2 is minus 4, subtract 2 is minus 6. Now that will become the determinant. I need to divide by minus 6, which is the determinant of the matrix. So the actual value of A to the minus 1 will be better written by making all the signs positive, changing all the signs in here and dividing by 6 where appropriate. I just checked that does work. We ended up with minus 6 here. The next position here would be top times middle. Top times middle. Top is 6 times 1, 2 times 11. 6 times 1 is 6, 2 times 11 is 22, so that's 28. 1 times minus 28 is 0, so it looks pretty good so far. The next position, top right, 6 times 0, 2 times minus 6 is minus 12, plus 12 is 0, and you can check the rest yourself, hopefully it is right. So that's how you find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix.